Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are going to be unboxing and taking a look and performing the spell that's in this witchy box, the Moon Spell box. Now, first of all, thank you so much to Moonspell for sending this our way. I am so excited. Let me just give you a little background of what's going on. Every box is not a subscription, so you don't have to sign up for anything. You just purchase the box you want for that month or previous months, and there's free shipping. So amazing. The current spell box will be $14.99. And the previous months would be $19.99. And they were kind enough to give us a code for 10% off your purchase. So I will leave that here, as well as everything down in the description box below where you can purchase and the code. And then also my link tree where I will have all of my social media links, as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. All right, I am so excited. Again, not a subscription, and I am so excited because if you are new to witchcraft, if you are new to spirituality, this might be a great way to get started because again, everything you need is going to be in this kit. So let's get it open. All right. So we open her up, nice packaging, Moon Spell box. So this is December's. So if you wanted to purchase this box, it would be $19.99 currently as of filming. And we are doing a money spell. Okay, cool. This spell is to bring wealth to yourself. Love it. And so we have intentions to open the way for money to flow into your life regularly and with abundance. So then we have the ingredients, which are going to be in here. So a jade stone, green candle, white candle, pentagram necklace, wood carving stick, salt, and basil. All right. And then we have the ritual and then the incantation. So I'll read the ritual after we are going through the stuff, and then we'll perform it. So that's awesome. We have our little pamphlet there. Oh, and everything has their own little baggie. Okay, so here's the candles. So we have the white one, little tea light, and these are great for doing any kind of magic. If you want to use a candle, tea lights are fantastic because they're safe and they're not burning for 5 hours on end. Oh, and here's the herbs. In the little jar. Look how cute. Wow, I love it. And the wood carving stick. Love that. These bags are so cute and you can reuse them. Okay, and in here we have the jade. That's nice. Look at that. And we have the pentagram necklace. Oh, that's substantial. That's so pretty. I love the Celtic knotting on it. How fun. And it does have a chain. You know, sometimes when you go to purchase a necklace or any kind of jewelry, they're like, oh, it's just the pendant. No, I wanted the whole thing. I don't have an extra chain. So that's really cool to see. Okay, let's go ahead. I'm going to clean up and we're going to set up for the ritual. All right. So I think I have everything ready here, including my big lighter there. So what we're going to do first is we're going to carve the money symbol and dollar amount that you wish to manifest onto the green candle with the wooden stick. All right. So money symbol, got my wooden stick. We're going to go ahead and do that. You know what? Let's be cheeky and let's go for $5,000, right? 5,000. Let's try that. Because why not? If you never ask, you never get. And then on the white candle, we carve our name. So I'm going to carve in Natasha. Probably can't see, but I'm trying to do it somewhat elegantly. Okay, so carved my name there. All right, so we're going to place both candles on a fire-safe glass ceramic plate, dish, or platform. So that's what this is right here. Okay, so now that we have both candles carved, we're going to light them. Do not leave burning candles unattended. All right. That is not safe. We practice fire safety. Light, light, light. All right. Then we're going to place the jade stone on top of the pentagram of the necklace and place them between both candles. Ay, ay, ay. Maybe I should have done that before. Okay. Slowly pour salt and basil on top of the jade stone. Set your intentions on already having the money. All right. There we go. And now we chant the money incantation 3 times. Okay, you're just gonna have to trust me that it's right here. I don't want it to burn. So it says, by the power of moon and positivity, bring now to me wealth and prosperity. Bring forth to me with no harm, so mote it be. By the power of the moon and positivity, bring now to me wealth and prosperity. Bring forth to me with no harm, so mote it be. By the power of the moon and positivity, bring now to me wealth and prosperity. Bring forth to me with no harm, so mote it be. All right, so then we allow the candles to burn completely out. And once completed, you can dispose of the salt and basil. Keep your jade stone displayed in your home or carry it with you and wear the necklace as you like. Oh my gosh, this was so much fun, okay? I'm so excited. So I'm gonna let this burn off camera. I am kind of overwhelmed with how easy this was. I am so excited because for $14.99 to get a box with everything in it like this, it's so expensive to source just anything anymore. To be able to have a box that is relatively inexpensive with everything you need in order to create the spell and perform it that day, that's fantastic. I am very, very impressed with the quality. The basil and the salt was already in the jar. I just thought it was basil at first. So I had this waiting just in case I needed to use it. But as I was pouring out the basil, it had the salt right in there. So I'm just really impressed with the quality, with how it was shipped, with how everything's set up so easy and accessible. This was such an easy spell and such a very intentional and a spell that you can do many times, and you can use your intention to help power a lot of things. And so that necklace, you can wear that necklace whenever you are wanting to activate more money income into your life, because that's intention set. The jade stone, that intention is now set in the jade stone. So you can carry that with you. And the quality of everything, like I said, I'm so shook right now, and it's so awesome. So again, highly, highly, highly recommend checking them out after being able to perform this on the video with you, for you, so you can see how everything works. I am so excited. I cannot wait to see what other boxes will become available, because again, if you're just starting out, this is accessible for you. You don't have to go out and buy a ton of tools or ingredients to just do one spell. You have it all right then and there. And this is great to see what other spells you might be interested in trying to perform and what they come up with. It's just a great way to build your inventory up in a very relatively inexpensive way. So thank you so much to Moonspellbox for sending this our way. I am over the moon with it. Don't forget to check them out, because we do have that 10% off coupon code. So if you're looking to get it even cheaper with free shipping, check them out today. So thank you so much again. Thank you guys for watching, for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.